Any pain there?
In the front.
Mild, moderate, severe.
Medium.
Does that hurt?
No.
One more. Here, hold tight.
Oh, a little bit more.
Looking like rotator cuff.
Down here?
Yeah. So it radiates down sometimes. This itty bitty little muscle does this. And now the deltoid actually has to take over. So it doesn't like working at this point. So when you're lifting here,
Exactly right.
it causes pain here, but it's
Getting my,
rotator cuff.
Reaching up to get my unsweetened iced tea from the window.
Yeah.
Like right there.
Yeah. Sounds like rotator cuff. Relax your shoulders. Way out. Bring it. Lift it up. How's it feel?
Coming down is worse than going up.
The therapy will help, and then the longer lasting idea would be PRP. Have a great week. Enjoy the game.